let's start. Do you have an internet connection? Do you have a keyboard? Do you have a mouse? No, you don't need a mouse. I don't have a mouse. Then now is the time that you make money by just typing in stuff, but names. Actually, it's names. In this video, you learn the exact way to earn money by just typing names. It's as simple as that. All you gotta do is smash the like button. Hey, I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online. So my team, me and 2 video editors try to produce from 1 to 3 videos every single day. Other people do 3 a week. We try to do 3 a day. Make sure you don't need to be subscribed to everyone. You just gotta be subscribed to us. Just my opinion. Subscribe. And you know what? I can even shout you out in one of the next videos. All you gotta do is comment your Instagram account, YouTube account, or TikTok account in the description down below. I'll take it, put it in the shout out jar and shout you out in one of the next videos just like this. Okay, so why this whole thing works is brands are looking for names, right? People start different businesses, they cannot figure out a cool name. And they don't want to name their brand after their wife, dog, or kid. Yes, that's lame, stop doing that. So they go to a website like squadhealth.com. You can check it here, squadhealth.com. I'll probably have a link for it in the description. And they have very interesting prizes here. They basically give out prizes to people that can figure out really interesting names. And if we check the winners of their contest, there are some people that have made 200 bucks, 135 bucks, 300 bucks, 225 bucks, 135 bucks just from typing stuff like this. Your cybersecurity enterprise. For this word, this person made 200 bucks. How is that even possible? I shouldn't be telling you that. And you can just get a name for sale. You can see this, but you're probably interested in doing the contests. So all you gotta do is just sign up and type names for brands. And you go on contests, inactive contests. Sometimes there's thousands of entries. I will actually do something like this. It has not that many, especially in the beginning, 15 entries. And they are paying 300 bucks. New logo for e-commerce store. Okay, logo. Catchy and sweet name for a baby clothing brand. 300 bucks. For that. That's just insane. If this video helped you out, make sure you give it a like and make sure you also subscribe to this wholesome, beautiful YouTube channel. And by the end of this video, remember this is no financial or medical advice. Do your own due diligence. Result can vary. And remember that a video day keeps the doctor away. By the end of this video, check one of these videos out. See you next one. Bye.